Hello and welcome to iExam B, where we help you to prepare 50% faster. I'm Dr. Sinishibu, and in this video, I'm going to talk about RBI DSIM statistics paper with special mention of Module 8 and 9, which deals with data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, database, and data warehouse management. So let us have a look at the syllabus. The Module 8 deals with data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning techniques. Module 9 consists of database and data warehouse management topics. In all, a total of 6 questions come from Module 7, 8, and 9 in Phase 2. Let us have a look at the previous year paper, specifically what questions came from Module 8 and 9. So if you look at the previous year paper, direct theoretical questions had come from various topics such as DBMS architecture, OLAP OLTP, cluster analysis, hierarchical and partitioning cluster algorithms, validation indices and cross-validation, deep neural networks, activation and loss functions, bias variance trade-off and regularization methods, backpropagation algorithm, gradient-based optimization techniques, and applications and limitations of deep learning in economics and finance. So as you see, these are direct questions that check the conceptual clarity of the candidates. If you are preparing for this examination, then in data science, you must have a proper understanding of the core concepts of data pre-processing, EDA, feature engineering, and data visualization. You must also have a good understanding of the statistical foundations, where you must know about the probability distributions, hypothesis testing, correlation and covariance, and regression, whether it be linear or multiple. In data interpretation part, you should be able to do time series analysis, and you must also know the forecasting basics. The index numbers and its utility is going to be important in this particular part. In the artificial intelligence and machine learning part, you must have a good understanding about the machine learning types. That includes the supervised learning algorithms of linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forests. And in unsupervised learning, you must know the k-means clustering algorithm, the hierarchical clustering, and PCA, which is the dimensionality reduction. You must also have an understanding of reinforcement learning. In the machine learning algorithms, you have to understand the regression models, the classification models, how clustering happens, the naive Bayes algorithm, and KNN. When we talk about model evaluation, you must have an understanding of the confusion matrix, the accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, overfitting versus underfitting, and cross-validation. The key concepts that you need to know in this part is about bias variance trade-off, feature selection, and regularization along with gradient descent. The AI basics that you need to focus on is the difference between AI, ML, and deep learning. You must have an understanding of the neural networks, NLP basics, as well as ethics in AI. In the Module 9 that deals with database management systems as well as data warehousing, you must have an understanding about the core topics of database management, including ER model, relational model, keys such as primary foreign candidate keys, the normalization of 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and BCNF, and the functional dependency of the various relations. In SQL, you should be able to write queries using select, where you should be able to join tables. You must have an understanding of how to use group by and having, and also how to do subqueries and indexing. In the transactions part, you must know about the ACID properties, concurrency control, and how to handle deadlocks. In the data warehouse part, you must have an understanding about the difference between data warehouse and a database. Similarly, you must know what is the difference between OLTP and OLAP. A good understanding of the extract, transform, and load process is also essential in this part. If we talk about the architecture, you must have an understanding about the star schema, snowflake schema, as well as the use of fact and dimension tables. You must have an understanding of the OLAP operations such as roll up, drill down, and slice and dice. Having knowledge of big data basics will be an added advantage in this paper. If you look at the topic-wise comparative analysis of topics, you would find that ML, AI, DBMS, and data warehouse topics were having low weightage in the previous years, but the current trend indicates a shift in the weightage, and now we are expecting that ML, AI, DBMS, and data warehouse will have high to moderate weightage in the coming examinations. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of what topics you need to focus in Module 8 and 9 of your statistics paper. Have a wonderful learning experience with iExamB and thank you for watching.